Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Shazam app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have Shazam on your control panel, and now once you open your control panel you will be able to see the Shazam icon shown in the screen. So what you need to do is simply need to open the settings, and now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, which is at the bottom of the central option, simply tap on that option and now you will be redirected to the control center section where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So simply tap on the minus icon and now finally tap on the remove, which is at the right side, and yeah, you will be able to cancel your Shazam app successfully. And now if you want to see a demo, then let me slide it from the top right corner of this screen, and you can see there is no Shazam icons on in the screen. So basically this is how you can cancel your Shazam, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.